A good whisk is one of the most useful tools in any kitchen. Whether you're beating eggs, whipping cream, mixing batter, or emulsifying sauces, the right whisk can make cooking faster, smoother, and more enjoyable. In this guide, we'll explore the 5 best whisks that every home cook and baking enthusiast should consider. Number 5. Zuli Kitchen 13-inch Danish Dough Whisk. Wooden Danish whisk for dough with stainless steel dough hook. Traditional Dutch whisk. Bread whisk for sourdough, pizza, pastry, cake batter. About this item: whisking made easy. This Danish dough whisk is a must-have for anyone looking to achieve perfectly mixed dough and batter. With this baking tool, you can mix ingredients quickly without the need for a heavy-duty mixer. The high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel ring is durable enough. Flow-through design: aerate high-moisture doughs like sourdough effortlessly with this broad pisker. The 3-loop design can cut through and combine ingredients like butter or eggs without overmixing the dough. This flexible whisking tool is great for scraping the dough from the corners of a bowl and also helps get the sticky dough off the whisk easily. Effortless cleanup: after baking a delicious recipe, dealing with a messy and sticky whisk is the last thing you want to do, and this dough hook. Multifunctional Japanese-style kitchen whisk. The 12-inch large whisk is suitable for heavy-duty mixing some pancake batter, cornstarch slurry, etc. The 10-inch whisk can beat eggs, stir batter, whip cream and stir sauces in comfort. Use the 8-inch small whisk to beat a little vinegar sauce. It is also very suitable for making mixed drinks like Dalgona Coffee Bulletproof Coffee. Number 3. Whisks for cooking. 3-pack stainless steel whisk for blending, whisking, beating and stirring. Enhanced version balloon wire whisk set, 8-inch 10-12. About this item: reinforced metal whisk, 12 inches of food-grade stainless steel whisk. Adopted bowl 8-wire processing, which solves the pain of bending or the line breaking of some common whisks for cooking on the market during some heavy mixing and stirring. The wires do not get tangled in each other and the spacing helps wire whisk liquids. Solve the problem of wrist fatigue. 3 sizes of balloon whisk can meet your daily cooking mixing needs, and are also suitable for bowls of any size. The multi-line metal whisk easily and quickly achieves the perfect exquisite and sticky mixing effect without using a spoon stir for a long time. A must-have whisk set: stainless steel for the starter, 3 different size wire whisk, stainless steel, 12, 10, 8, with hooks. No need for multiple purchases, all at once demand. Multifunctional Japanese-style kitchen whisk. The 12-inch large whisk is suitable for heavy-duty mixing some pancake batter, cornstarch slurry, etc. The 10-inch whisk can beat eggs, stir batter, whip cream and stir sauces in comfort. Use the 8-inch small whisk to beat a little vinegar sauce. It is also very suitable for making mixed drinks like Dalgona Coffee Bulletproof Coffee. Number 2. KitchenAid Classic Utility Whisk, 10.5-inch, black. About this item: the ultimate whisk, great for beating eggs, whipping meringue, blending batters, or keeping the lumps out of your sauces and gravies. Strong and durable. Head is constructed of stainless steel wires. Ergonomic design: well-balanced handle ensures maximum comfort and smooth operation. Elegant design: glossy ABS handle features a DBOSS logo, as well as a satin chrome-plated bolster and end cap. Number 1. Nile Home Stainless Steel Whisk Set, 8-inch 10-12 Kitchen Whisk Balloon Whisk. Kitchen whisk wire whisks for cooking, whisking, blending, beating, stirring. 3-pack. About this item: high-quality material, made of high-quality durable stainless steel and highly polished processing methods, no worries of rust. You can use the whisk set for a long time. Multiple sizes: this egg beater has 3 sizes for you to choose from, which are 12 inches, 10 inches, and 8 inches. You can choose the right size egg beater according to the size of the bowl. Multi-purpose: this kitchen whisk is ergonomically designed, lightweight, and does not take up space. It is suitable for various cooking places, such as making cakes, whipping cream, stirring batter, and baking pastries, etc., making us more interested in cooking. Easy to clean and store: the handle is rust-resistant and non-stick, making it easy to clean. The handle has a hole design, which can be easily hung on any hook in the kitchen for easy